I'm Brad Biznett with Cole Publishing, and I'm here with Mike from Spartan Tool. Mike, I'm more than familiar with all the products that Spartan Tool has to offer, but I have never seen a truck from you guys before. What are we talking about here?
We are talking about the brand new Spartan Defender. This is our compact jet and vac combination truck. This unit here has a 396 gallon capacity tank that has 264 gallons of wastewater and 132 gallons of fresh water. This bad boy is running off a 24 horsepower Kubota diesel motor with its own independent motor system here that does not have to run off of a truck's PTO unit.
Okay. And why the Defender?
So we see a little gap in the market
Sure.
for something that's this size. So what's great about this unit here is for a more compact unit for guys to get around in urban areas, right?
Sure, yeah,
To
absolutely.
suck out those dreaded grease traps, and guys that are prepping sewer liners that need to get all that debris out after they get done jetting that line. So we feel like this is perfect for our existing customers.
All right, Mike, we're at the back end of the Defender now. Let me know what's going on here.
All right, Brad, we got a lot going on back here. So we have two independent auxiliary inlet valves. We have our adjustable unloader valve back here, and this is the outlet valve. We have 262 feet of half-inch high-pressure hose. This unit here, Brad, is running 3,000 PSI at 10 GPM. And then we have our inlet for our jet, and then we have 82 feet of suction hose on here. And if we go around to the side of that unit there, we have our onboard antifreeze system along with the remote control, wireless remote control for this jet unit.
Remote control, how far of a distance we have to work
About a
with?
500-foot range.
Awesome. And where can somebody go for more information about that?
www.spartantool.com, or always contact your local Spartan Tool rep.
Awesome. Thanks,
Thanks,
Mike.
Brad.